Is HS2 going off the rails? Amid spiralling costs and severe delays, a senior Tory cabinet minister has refused to guarantee that the line will go to Manchester as planned.
There are spades in the ground. The HS2 is in the process of being built. The Prime Minister is absolutely committed to levelling up. This is part of that levelling up.
So it needs to keep going to Manchester?
Well, as I say, foreign affairs is my area of speciality.
Yeah, but you're an MP.
But it's not just the Tories casting doubt on the project. Senior Labour figures say that while they want to build HS2, they want to examine the costs before committing to go ahead in the party's election manifesto. The initial phase of HS2 was meant to connect London Euston with Birmingham, costing £37.5 billion in 2009 prices, equivalent to £45 billion now. It would then go on to Crewe, before extending to Manchester, as well as the East Midlands Parkway. But soaring costs have seen the extension delayed. It's thought scrapping the Birmingham to Manchester link could save the government £34 billion. An extension to Leeds was cancelled back in 2021. And now it's also claimed the line to Euston is facing the axe, with the final route only running from Birmingham to Old Oak Common in West London, 6 miles north of Euston. But the final cost has been estimated at a massive £106 billion, 3 times the initial expected cost.
The fact it's not going to be in the north of England is a disgrace. It's going to be a 2-tier rail network, and it's not acceptable.
It's just another cut in a long line of cuts and promises undelivered.
Is it worth 77 billion for 20 minutes? Like 20 minutes knocked off? I don't know.
MPs believe a government announcement slamming the brakes on HS2 spending could come as early as this week. And if it doesn't, ministers are expected to be forced to come to the Commons to answer questions about the project's future. Some MPs, however, want HS2 scrapped altogether.
What a white elephant it is. Stop HS2, spend that money in the north, giving us better connection across the north, linking us so that we've got a high-speed rail of the north.
But supporters of HS2 claim scrapping the Manchester link would be a betrayal and derail the government's levelling up agenda. John Craig, Sky News.